Hello everyone, today we are going to learn basic Ansys Spaceclaim tutorial, how to change language. So if you want to change language in Ansys Spaceclaim, you can go to File menu, click on Spaceclaim option button. The next will be show for the Spaceclaim option. Now you can click on Advanced, and in here we have the language tools. You can click on drop down menu, and there are a lot of options to change the language, like you can set to Italiano, or you can change into Chinese, and as default it will be set into the English. So you can change by using these tools. If you don't, you can click OK. Okay, that's it for a basic Ansys Spaceclaim tutorial, how to change language. If you have any question about tutorial, you can comment below this video.